Hey everyone, today I'm breaking down Mint Mobile, the wireless carrier that's shaking up the market. The plan starting at just $15 a month. But before you switch, here is everything you need to know. The real cost, what you get, and whether it is worth it. Let's go. Mint Mobile runs on T-Mobile's 5G and 4G LTE networks, so you get nationwide coverage and fast internet speeds. Their whole thing is no stores, no salespeople, just savings. Everything is online. Alright, new customers get a 3-month introductory offer with some amazing prizes. Here is the breakdown. 3 months plan, new customer offer. For 5 GB per month, you will have to pay $15 per month or $45 upfront. For 15 GB per month, you will have to pay $20 per month or $60 upfront. For unlimited plan, you will have to pay $30 per month or $90 upfront. And for 6-month plans, you will have to pay 5 GB for $20 per month, 15 GB $25 per month, 20 GB $35 per month, and unlimited $35 per month. Same for 12-month plans. You can see here their prices. For unlimited, here too you have to pay $30 per month. So yeah, if you commit to a year upfront, you keep those low rates. Every plan includes unlimited talk and tapes, free calling to Canada and Mexico, hotspot uses up to 10 GB on unlimited 5 GB or 4G LTE data. Video stream at 480p, and if you use over 35 GB on unlimited, your speeds may slow down when the network is busy. They also added 5G home internet powered by T-Mobile. It's unlimited, fast, reliable, and costs $30 per month, but only if you already have a Mint mobile phone plan. Customers say switching is super easy and the service is transparent, affordable, and works great. One user said, I switched from Verizon and was stunned. Great service, easy setup, and streaming works really well. If you are tired of overpriced wireless bills, Mint Mobile is a solid deal, especially if you are cool paying upfront. It is perfect for individuals, families, or anyone looking to save without losing quality coverage. So, what do you think? Would you switch to Mint Mobile for $15 a month? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to follow for more real money saving videos. Thanks for watching.